गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
गुड आफ्टरनून विजय। क्लास खत्म नहीं हुई अभी सर की?
हो गई थी मैम, 2 बजे से पहले हुई थी आज।
ये कहाँ है सारे बच्चे? Yes, good afternoon everyone.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
और पढ़ना शुरू किया सब लोगों ने? नहीं किया?
हाँ मैम।
अच्छा, कौन सी बुक पढ़ रहे हो EMI की?
मैम बुक से नहीं कर रहे हैं मैम, जो सिलेबस में था ना मैम, जो टॉपिक दे रखे हैं उसी को मतलब एक एक करके कवर करते हैं।
कहाँ से? नेट से?
हाँ मैम, कुछ नेट से और कुछ जो आपने करवा रखा है उससे।
न्यूमेरिकल्स भी करने हैं, ध्यान रखना है।
जी मैम।
हर टॉपिक की फेजर डायग्राम्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, और डेरिवेशंस। और जो डेरिवेशंस आपने इक्वेशंस लिखी हैं उसमें डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे। ठीक है, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। जो आएंगे आते रहेंगे। कल हम टेम्परेचर ट्रांसड्यूसर्स कर रहे थे, है ना? इज द स्क्रीन विजिबल टू ऑल ऑफ यू?
यस
ओके, नाउ मेन फीचर्स तक हमने कर दिया था। नाउ द बेसिक स्कीम ऑफ टेम्परेचर ट्रांसड्यूसर्स। The basic scheme of temperature transducer is given in the following step. First is sensing element. ट्रांसड्यूसर में सेंसर प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. विदाउट सेंसर, क्योंकि कौन सी क्वांटिटी को कन्वर्ट करना है वो कौन करे, कौन बताएगा कि क्वांटिटी किस टाइप की है? सेंसर. तो द सेंसिंग एलिमेंट इन द टेम्परेचर ट्रांसड्यूसर इज द एलिमेंट whose properties change with change in temperature. As the temperature changes, the corresponding change occurs in the certain property of the element. For example, in a resistant temperature detector RTD, the sensing element is the platinum metal. Sensing elements भी हर ट्रांसड्यूसर के different होंगे depending upon its configuration. Now the desirable conditions for choosing the sensing elements are change per unit resistance of material, per unit change in temperature should be large. Second point, the material should have high resistivity so that minimum volume of material is used for its construction. Third, the material should have continuous and stable relationship with temperature. Last point, transduction element. It is the element that transforms the output of sensing element into electrical quantity. The change in the property of the sensing element acts as the output for it. It measures the change in the property of sensing element. The output is of transduction element is then calibrated to give output which represents the change in the thermal quantity. For example, in the thermocouple, the potential difference produced across the two terminals is being measured by voltmeter, and magnitude of voltage produced after calibration gives idea of change in temperature. पहले ये लिख लो सेंसिंग एलिमेंट का, इसकी डेफिनेशन लिख लो एंड डिजायरेबल कंडीशन इंपॉर्टेंट है. एग्जाम्पल भी लिख लो. आरटीडी आपके सिलेबस में भी है, इसके बाद मैं आरटीडी ही कराऊंगी, दैट इज रेजिस्टेंस टेम्परेचर डिटेक्टर. ये रहा आरटीडी, यू कैन सी हियर. अभी फिलहाल ये लिख लो, फिर आरटीडी करेंगे हम. राइट डाउन द डिजायरेबल कंडीशंस आल्सो. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू 5 minutes. हरी अप. Write the sensing element. The sensing element is the temperature transducer. Done. Desirable conditions. Yes, class done?
No, ma'am.
Is class done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the types of temperature transducers: contact temperature sensor type, non-contact temperature sensor type. Contact कौन से होते हैं? In these, the sensing element is in direct contact with the thermal source. They use the conduction for transfer of thermal energy. और non-conduct कौन से होते हैं? In a non-conduct temperature sensor, the element is not in direct contact with the thermal source. Non-contact temperature sensors use principle of convection for heat flow. Various temperature transducers that are generally used are thermistor, resistance thermometer, thermocouple. These are the different thermal transducers जो हम पढ़ेंगे एक एक करके. फर्स्ट इज थर्मिस्टर्स. थर्मिस्टर्स पढ़े हुए हैं आपने लैब में, ईटी की लैब में पढ़े हो या कोई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट्स या वर्कशॉप की लैब में पढ़े हो? यस क्लास, स्पीकअप पढ़े हैं ये?
हाँ मैम, देखा था मैम, ये सेरेमिक के बने होते.
हाँ. Now the word thermistor can be determined as thermal resistor. So as the name indicates, it is device whose resistance changes with the change of the temperature. Due to their high sensitivity, they are widely used for the measurement of the temperature. They are usually called the ideal temperature transducer. Thermistors are generally composed of mixture of metal oxides. You can see this is the construction of thermistors. आपने लैब में देखे भी होंगे. Now the properties क्या है इनकी? They have negative thermal coefficient, that is resistance of the thermistor decreases with increase in temperature. They are made up of semiconductor materials. They are made sensitive than RTD, resistance thermometers, or thermocouples. Their resistance lies between 0.5 ohm to 0.75 mega ohm. They are generally used in the application where measurement range of temperature is -60 degree to 15 degree Celsius. Now you just write it down. Types लिख लो, नाम ही लिख लेना बस. No need of writing the detail, and then write the detail of thermistor. Important है thermistor. इसके सारा लिख लो, थोड़ा सा ही है. Properties लिख लो, definition लिख लो. Just write it fast. I am giving you 5 minutes. Done.
होने वाला है मैम, लास्ट लाइन बची थी।
प्रॉपर्टीज की
नो मैम, ये थर्मिस्टर।
thermistors are generally composed of mixture of metal oxides.
ओके मैम, हो गया मैम।
ठीक है, प्रॉपर्टीज भी याद रहेगा तो ये डायग्राम भी एक बार हल्का सा बना लो, so that you just remember. Done.
यस मैम।
Okay. Next are resistance thermometers. Now another type of temperature transducer is the resistance thermometer detectors, or you can say RTDs. RTDs are precision temperature sensor. What do you mean by precision? कोई बताएगा? What do you mean by the term precision?
मैम एक्यूरेसी।
Yeah, accuracy means 100% accuracy is expected from this device. Precision temperature sensors made from high purity conducting metals such as platinum, copper, nickel wound into a coil and whose electrical resistance changes as change of temperature, similar to that of thermistor. You can see this RTD, stainless steel ball outside, then resistance wires and mica insulation in between the resistance wires. Now their resistance changes with the change in the following relation as R is equal to R naught bracket 1 plus alpha delta T. What do you mean by delta T? What does it mean?
Change in temperature.
Change in temperature. Yes. R is the resistance of element at a given temperature. Alpha is the thermal coefficient of element. R naught is the resistance of element at 0 degree Celsius. Now the main features of RTDs are they are highly sensitive and very cheap as compared to thermistors and thermocouples. They can measure the temperature from minus 182.96 degree Celsius to 630.74 degree Celsius. Just write down RTD. थोड़ा जल्दी लिखना. यहीं से लिखते हैं. वैसे तो हम RTD अभी डिटेल भी देखेंगे पर लिख लो थोड़ा सा पता चल रहा है. Saurav.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, Saurav. Saurav, say something, otherwise I'll mark your absent.
सॉरी मैम.
आप इस टाइम पे आए हो क्लास में? This is the time.
मैम मेरा ज्वाइन नहीं हो रहा था मैम. वो मेरा नेटवर्क इशू आ रहा था तो मैंने अब ट्राई करते करते अब जाके ज्वाइन हुआ है.
मेरे पास तो आप एक भी बार नहीं आए.
मैम वो नेटवर्क की इशू हो रहा था काफी देर से. सर्कल हुए जा रहा था. कनेक्टिंग प्रॉब्लम दिखा रहा था. एरर आ जा रहा था बार बार. फिर मैंने वापस रीबूट करके दोबारा स्टार्ट किया.
Next is thermocouples. Now the thermocouples are temperature transducers that are basically consist of two junctions of dissimilar metals such as copper and constantan that are welded. One junction is kept at a constant temperature called the reference junction, while the other the measuring junction known as hot junction. When the two junctions are at different temperature, a voltage is developed across the junction which is used to measure the temperature. You can see the principle of thermocouple. Now when the junctions of two metals such as copper and constantan are connected together, the potential difference is produced between them. The phenomena is called Seebeck effect as a temperature gradient is generated along the conducting wires producing the EMF. Then the output voltage from a thermocouple is a function of the temperature changes. Now the main features of thermocouple are extreme temperature of range between minus 200 degree Celsius to over 2000 degree Celsius. क्यों? क्योंकि cold and hot junctions we are using can be measured with thermocouple, which is an advantage over RTD and thermistors. They are active transducers, so they don't require any external source for measuring of temperature as like RTD and thermistors. They are cheaper than both RTDs and thermistors. They have small accuracy as compared to RTDs and thermistors. So generally they are not used for high precision work. Okay, just write down thermocouples. डू यू नो अबाउट कांस्टेंट n? आपको पता है क्या है? Yes, class, I am asking something. What is constant n?
मैम पढ़ा तो है लेकिन याद नहीं आ रहा थोड़ा।
It is a nickel alloy. It is a nickel alloy which is used in electrical circuits for high resistance. किसी ने पूछा ही नहीं, मुझे लगा पता ही होगा, तो वैसे ही मैंने पूछ लिया, मुझे नहीं पता।
नो मैम पढ़ा था इसके बारे में।
हाँ, किसी ने पूछा ही नहीं तो मुझे लगा यू ऑलमोस्ट नो कि व्हाट इज कांस्टेंट है। इट इज अ निकल एलॉय, निकल एलॉय होता है। डन।
यस मैम।
Now these are the names of integrated circuit temperature transducer. Integrated क्या होंगे? ICs?
मैम एक सेकंड। हाँ मैम।
These are the temperature transducer which use temperature sensing element with monolithic electronic circuits as a combination for the measurement of temperature. For example, जैसे LM335 है, it provides an output of 10 millivolt per degree Kelvin. LM34, it provides an output of 10 millivolt per degree Farad. AD592, it provides a current output of 1 microampere per degree Kelvin. Now these are the different series जो हम अपने सर्किट्स में या स्मॉल जो हम पीसीबी डिजाइनिंग करते हैं उसमें हम लगाते हैं। नाउ वी जस्ट हैव टू स्टडी आरटीडीज। ये आपके सिलेबस में है। व्हाट इज एन आरटीडी? अगेन अ रेजिस्टेंस टेम्परेचर डिटेक्टर, also known as resistance thermometer or RTD, is an electronic device used to determine the temperature by measuring the resistance of an electrical wire. This wire is referred to as temperature sensor. If we want to measure temperature with high accuracy, an RTD is the ideal solution as it has good linear characteristics over a wide range of temperatures. Other common electronic devices used to measure temperature include a thermocouple or a thermistor. The variation of resistance of the metal with the variation of the temperature is given as RT is equal to R naught bracket start 1 plus bracket T minus T naught bracket close plus beta T minus T naught square plus the equation goes on. Now where RT and R naught are the resistance value at T degree Celsius and T naught degree Celsius temperatures. Alpha and beta are the constant depending upon which metal you are using for the transducer. Now this expression is of huge range of temperature. For small range of temperature, the expression can be RT is equal to R0 1 plus T. सिर्फ एक ही अगर एलिमेंट है, एक ही हमें टेम्परेचर का लेनी है रीडिंग, तो T minus T0. You can see here the value of resistance and temperature of different metals: platinum, copper, nickel. Now in RTD devices, copper, nickel and platinum are widely used metals. These three metals are having different resistance variations with respective to the temperature variations. That is called resistance temperature characteristics, RT. RT जैसे VI होती है ना, same. Now the platinum has a temperature range of 650 degrees Celsius and the copper and nickel have 120 degrees Celsius and 300 degrees Celsius. Copper की कितनी होगी 120 और nickel की 300 degrees Celsius respectively. Now the figure 1 shows the resistance temperature characteristics curve for the three different metals. For platinum, its resistance changes by approximately 0.4 ohms per degree Celsius of temperature. The purity of the platinum is checked by R100 upon R0 because whatever the material actually we are using for making the RTD, that should be pure. If it will not pure, it will deviate from the conventional resistance temperature graph. So alpha and beta values will change depending upon the metals. Now the construction of RTDs. The construction is typically such that the wire is wound on form on notched mica cross frame to achieve small size. अभी हमने पीछे देखी हुई है, इसका डायग्राम देखा. Improving the thermal conductivity to decrease the response time and a high rate of heat transfer is obtained. In the industrial RTDs, the coil is protected by stainless steel sheath or protective tube, so that physical strain is negligible as the wire expands and increase the length of wire with the temperature change. If the strain on the wire increases, then the tension increases. Due to that, the resistance of the wire will change, which is undesirable. So we don't want to change the resistance of wire by any other unwanted changes except the temperature change. Now this is also useful to RTD maintenance while the plant is in operation. Mica is placed in between the steel sheath and resistance wire for better electrical insulation. Due less strain is resistance wire, it should be carefully wound over mica sheet. Now you can see here. अभी हमने पीछे भी देखा है, same diagram. Stainless steel wire, resistance wire, and mica insulation is there. Now signal conditioning through RTDs. We can get RTD in market, but we must know the procedure, how to use it, and how to make the signal conditioning circuit, so that the lead wire errors and other calibration errors can be minimized. In this RTD, the change in resistance value is very small with respect to the temperature. So the RTD value is measured by using a bridge circuit. By supplying the constant electric current to the bridge circuit and measuring the resulting voltage drop across the resistor, the RTD resistance can be calculated. Thereby, the temperature can also be determined. This temperature is determined by converting the RTD resistance value using a calibration expression. The different modules of RTD are given below. You can see here the two wires of RTD bridge. These are the three wires, A, B, and C. These are the four, A, B, C, D. Now in two wires RTD bridge, the dummy wire is absent. The output taken from the remaining two ends as shown in figure, but the extension wire resistance are very important to be considered because the impedance of the extension wires may affect the temperature reading. This effect is minimizing in the three wire RTD bridge circuit by connecting a dummy wire C. You can see here. Now if A and B are matched properly in terms of length and cross section area, then their impedance effects will cancel because each wire is in opposite position. so that the dummy wire C act as a sense lead to measure the voltage drop across the RTD resistance, and it carries no current. Now in these circuits, the output voltage is directly proportional to just temperature. So we need one calibration equation to find the temperature. Clear? Now ये अब हम कल करेंगे expression. थोड़ी सी बची है. हमारे पास time कम है. Just write down the theoretical part. All of you just write down, and in the meantime I'll take your attendance. Ashish Shukla.
Present, ma'am.
Anish Ranjan. Nidhi. Prabha, where is Nidhi?
यस मैम, निधि होगी, अब सुन नहीं रही होगी शायद।
निधि तो है ही नहीं, बहुत दिन हो गए, मेरी क्लास में तो आई नहीं वो। पारस, पीयूष,
यस मैम।
प्रभा,
यस मैम।
प्रद्युमन।
मैम पारस लगा दी मैम, मेरा
हाँ।
माइक नहीं चल रहा था।
कोई बात नहीं। राहुल गौर।
यस मैम।
राजीव कुमार। राजीव इज देयर। रंजन। ऋषभ रॉय।
प्रेजेंट मैम।
सौरभ।
यस मैम।
विजय सिंह।
प्रेजेंट मैम।
यश शर्मा। अनीश तो क्लास में आया था ना? अनीश क्लास में आया था, किसी को पता है? लिख लिया आपने? आरटीडी एक्सप्रेशन लिख लिया आपने? Yes, class, just give answer in yes or no. I don't know why you people don't say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Just write down the specification and make this curve characteristic diagram.